What if you could learn data science, AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, digital marketing, and even project management completely free? No fees, no catch. And yes, you get a certificate too. Welcome to OMNI Academy, Pakistan's leading IT training institute since 2010, part of MHSG Consulting Group, helping thousands build real-world skills and land jobs. Every month, OMNI Academy offers 50+ free workshops taught by industry experts covering everything from AI and cloud to cybersecurity, networking, and more. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just starting out, there's something for you. Join online from anywhere in Pakistan, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, or beyond. So don't wait. Register now at omniacademy.com and secure your spot today. OMNI Academy, your career transformation starts here, and it starts free.
#Introduction. Free Odoo Developer Workshop. Welcome to the free Odoo Developer Workshop. Build ERP apps with Python. If you are interested in software development, Python programming, ERP systems, business applications, or enterprise technology, then this workshop is designed to give you a practical introduction to an exciting area of development. Today, businesses are handling large amounts of information every day. They manage customers, sales, purchases, inventory, employees, finances, projects, websites, and many other operations. When these activities are managed through separate systems, it can become difficult for businesses to keep information organized, maintain accurate records, and coordinate activities between different departments. This is where ERP systems come in. ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning, allows organizations to bring multiple business operations together on a centralized platform. Instead of depending on completely separate applications for sales, inventory, accounting, human resources, and other departments, an ERP system allows these functions to communicate with each other. And one of the platforms that has become widely known for its flexibility and modular approach is Odoo. Odoo is an open-source business management platform that provides a wide range of applications for organizations. These applications can be used for sales, CRM, accounting, inventory, manufacturing, human resources, project management, e-commerce, website management, and many other business activities. But Odoo is not only useful from a business perspective. For developers, Odoo provides an environment where you can build, customize, extend, and integrate business applications. This is where Python becomes extremely important. Odoo's backend development is based heavily on Python, making Python knowledge a valuable foundation for anyone who wants to enter Odoo development. If you already know Python, this workshop will help you understand how your programming knowledge can be applied to real business applications. And if you are still learning Python, this workshop can help you understand where Python programming skills can take you beyond basic programming exercises. During this workshop, we will explore the fundamentals of Odoo development and understand how developers build ERP applications using Python. We will start by understanding what Odoo is, how it works, and why businesses use it. Then, we will gradually move toward the technical side of Odoo development. You will learn about the structure of Odoo, its modular architecture, databases, models, views, menus, business logic, and other important development concepts. One of the key ideas you will discover is that Odoo is built around modules. A module can introduce a specific business function or extend an existing feature. For example, a business might need a custom employee management system, a specialized sales workflow, an inventory tracking solution, or a custom reporting system. Instead of developing an entire ERP system from scratch, developers can work within the Odoo framework and create functionality that fits the organization's specific requirements. This modular approach makes Odoo particularly interesting for developers. Throughout this workshop, we will also look at how Python is used to define business logic and how developers interact with Odoo's framework. You will get an introduction to concepts such as models, fields, relationships, methods, views, actions, menus, and access permissions. These concepts form the foundation of Odoo application development. We will also discuss how Odoo communicates with its database and how business information is structured. For example, imagine that you are developing a simple application for managing products. You may need to store the product name, price, category, available quantity, supplier information, and other details. In Odoo, developers can create models and fields to represent this information and then create user interfaces that allow employees to add, update, search, and manage those records. Now imagine expanding that simple application into a complete business process. A customer places an order. The sales department processes it. Inventory information is updated. The purchase department may need to order additional stock. The accounting department records the financial transaction. Management can then review reports based on all of this information. This is the type of interconnected business environment that ERP development helps create. And as an Odoo developer, your role is not simply to write code. You need to understand how businesses operate, identify their requirements, and convert those requirements into functional software solutions. That is why Odoo development combines programming, databases, business processes, and problem solving. This workshop is intended to help you understand that connection. We will also explore the difference between using standard Odoo applications and customizing Odoo according to specific business requirements. In real-world projects, businesses often have processes that are different from the standard workflow. They may require additional fields, customized forms, automated actions, new reports, special approval processes, integrations, and more. That's where Odoo's flexibility can really shine. This workshop will provide the foundation you need to begin building and customizing Odoo for your own business or for clients. Or completely new modules. This is where Odoo developers become important. A skilled developer can take an existing Odoo environment and extend its capabilities according to the organization's needs. During the workshop, you will therefore not only learn what Odoo is, but also begin to understand the mindset required for Odoo development. You will see how a business requirement can be converted into a technical requirement, how that requirement can be represented through an Odoo model, and how developers can build functionality around it. We will also introduce you to the role of the database in an ERP application. Odoo uses PostgreSQL for database management, and understanding how application data is stored and connected is an important part of becoming a capable ERP developer. You will learn why relationships between data are important, and how different business records can interact with each other. Alongside the technical concepts, we will also discuss real-world applications of Odoo development. Odoo solutions can be customized for retail businesses, service companies, manufacturing organizations, educational institutions, e-commerce businesses, professional services, and many other types of organizations. This means that Odoo development is not limited to one particular industry. The same development skills can be applied to different business environments depending on the organization's requirements. Another important part of today's workshop is understanding the career potential associated with Odoo and ERP development. If you are a Python developer looking to specialize, Odoo can provide an opportunity to apply your programming skills to enterprise applications. If you are a software engineering student or fresh graduate, learning ERP development can help you explore a specialized area of software development. And if you are already working with ERP systems from a functional or business perspective, learning the technical side can help you communicate more effectively with development teams and understand how custom solutions are created. By the end of this workshop, you should have a much clearer understanding of how Odoo works, where Python fits into Odoo development, how custom ERP applications are structured, and what skills you can develop next. Remember, the purpose of this free workshop is not simply to introduce another software platform. The goal is to help you understand how modern business applications are developed and how programming can be used to solve real organizational problems. So, whether you are completely new to Odoo or already have some experience with Python and ERP systems, keep an open mind, follow each concept carefully, and try to connect the technical examples with real-world business scenarios. Get ready to explore Odoo, Python, ERP development, custom modules, databases, business logic, and application development. Let's begin our journey into the world of Odoo development and learn how you can use Python to build powerful ERP applications. What is Odoo and why learn it? Odoo is an open-source enterprise resource planning platform that helps organizations manage different business operations through integrated applications. From accounting and sales to inventory, human resources, customer relationship management, and project management, Odoo provides complete solutions for modern businesses. But behind these powerful applications is a strong development framework that allows developers to create custom modules, automate processes, and design applications according to business requirements. With companies increasingly adopting ERP solutions, the demand for skilled Odoo developers is growing across different industries. Learning Odoo development gives you the opportunity to work on real-world business applications and build solutions that directly impact organizational operations. Understanding ERP systems. Before starting Odoo development, it is important to understand what ERP actually means. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. An ERP system connects different departments of an organization on a single platform. For example, the sales team can manage customer orders, the inventory team can track stock, the finance department can manage accounts, and the HR team can handle employee information, all through one integrated system. Instead of using separate software for every department, ERP brings everything together. Odoo is one of the leading ERP platforms because of its flexibility, customization options, and developer-friendly framework. Introduction to Odoo Architecture. In this workshop, you will learn about the basic architecture of Odoo and how different components work together. Odoo follows a modular structure. Each business function is developed as a module. For example, sales management is a module. Inventory management is a module. Accounting is a module. Human resources is a module. Developers can create new modules or customize existing ones according to business needs. Odoo is built using Python as its back-end programming language, along with PostgreSQL database management and web technologies for user interfaces. Understanding this architecture is the first step toward becoming an Odoo developer. Role of Python in Odoo development. Python is the core programming language behind Odoo. If you already have knowledge of Python, you can use those skills to develop powerful ERP applications. Python is used in Odoo for creating business logic, defining workflows, managing data models, and developing customized features. During this workshop, you will understand how Python concepts are applied in real ERP development projects. You will learn how developers use Python to create efficient, scalable, and business-focused applications. Creating your first Odoo module voiceover. One of the important parts of Odoo development is creating custom modules. A module is a structured package that contains all the necessary files required to add new functionality to Odoo. In this workshop, you will get an overview of how developers create modules, organize files, define models, and connect different components. You will understand the basic structure of an Odoo module, including module configuration files, Python files for business logic, XML files for views and user interface design, security settings, and database models. These concepts are essential for anyone who wants to start building applications in Odoo. Understanding Odoo models and database voiceover. Every ERP application depends on managing and organizing data effectively. In Odoo, developers use models to define how information is stored and managed. For example, a customer record, product information, employee details, or sales order can all be represented as models. You will learn how Odoo models interact with the database and how developers create relationships between different business objects. Understanding models is one of the most important skills for Odoo developers because it helps create structured and efficient applications. Designing user interfaces in Odoo voiceover. A good ERP system is not only about back-end functionality. The user experience is equally important. Odoo allows developers to design interactive interfaces where users can easily manage business operations. In this workshop, you will explore how Odoo views work and how developers create screens for users. You will get an introduction to forms, lists, menus, and dashboards that make ERP applications easier to use. Real-world applications of Odoo development. Voiceover. Odoo development is used by organizations across different industries. Companies use customized Odoo solutions for inventory management, accounting automation, sales management, customer relationship management, manufacturing processes, human resource management, e-commerce operations, and many other business functions. Odoo developers help companies improve efficiency by creating customized solutions according to their unique requirements. Career opportunities as an Odoo developer. Voiceover. The demand for ERP professionals continues to increase, as businesses move toward digital transformation. By learning Odoo development, you can explore career opportunities such as Odoo developer, Python ERP developer, Odoo functional consultant, ERP technical consultant, business application developer. With the right skills and practical experience, Odoo development can become a valuable career path for software developers and IT professionals. Who should attend this workshop? Voiceover. This free Odoo developer workshop is designed for Python developers who want to expand their skills, students interested in software development, fresh graduates looking for career opportunities, ERP professionals who want technical knowledge, business analysts interested in ERP customization, anyone curious about building enterprise applications. No matter where you are in your learning journey, this workshop will provide valuable insights into the world of Odoo development. Workshop learning outcomes. Voiceover. After completing this workshop, you will have a better understanding of what Odoo is and how ERP systems work. Odoo architecture and development concepts. The role of Python in ERP development. How custom modules are created. How databases and user interfaces work in Odoo. Career opportunities available in Odoo development. This knowledge will help you take the next step toward learning advanced Odoo development skills. Don't miss the opportunity to explore one of the most practical and valuable areas of modern enterprise software development. If you are interested in Python programming, ERP systems, business applications, software development, or technology careers, the free Odoo Developer Workshop, Build ERP Apps with Python, is a great opportunity to expand your knowledge and discover how development skills can be applied to real-world business requirements. Throughout this workshop, you have explored the fundamentals of Odoo, understood the role of Python in Odoo development, and learned how ERP applications can be customized to support different business processes. But this workshop is only the beginning. There is much more to explore when it comes to Odoo development. You can continue learning how to create custom modules, work with models and fields, design user interfaces, manage access permissions, automate business processes, work with databases, create reports, integrate external services, and develop complete ERP solutions based on real business requirements. The more you practice these concepts, the better you can understand how software development connects with actual business operations. If you are a student, fresh graduate, Python developer, software engineer, IT professional, or someone planning to build a career in ERP development, now is the right time to continue developing your technical skills. At OMNI Academy, we provide a range of professional learning opportunities designed to help learners develop practical and industry-relevant skills. As a participant of this workshop, you can also take advantage of an exclusive 20% discount on our courses for 7 days after attending the workshop. This gives you an opportunity to continue your learning journey with more advanced and specialized training programs. Don't let your learning stop after this workshop. Use the concepts you have learned today as a foundation and continue building your knowledge step by step. Explore more about Python development, ERP systems, databases, software development, automation, cloud technologies, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, data analytics, and other technology-focused areas. And if you are also looking for professional opportunities, make sure you visit the OMNI Jobs and Internships portal. You can explore available job opportunities, internships, and career-related updates that can help you stay connected with the professional market. Also, subscribe to our WhatsApp channels to receive regular updates about upcoming free workshops, professional courses, boot camps, career opportunities, internships, and other learning opportunities from OMNI Academy. Staying connected means you won't miss new workshops and opportunities that can help you improve your professional skills. So, if today's workshop has helped you understand how Odoo and Python can be used to build ERP applications, take the next step. Continue practicing, continue learning, continue exploring, and most importantly, start building. Your journey into Odoo development doesn't have to end with an introduction. Remember, Every experienced developer started by learning the fundamentals. This workshop is your opportunity to take that first step. Join OMNI Academy, continue learning, build your technical skills, and explore new career opportunities. Get your 20% course discount for 7 days after the workshop. Visit the OMNI Jobs and Internships portal and subscribe to our WhatsApp channels for regular updates. Register for upcoming workshops, explore our training programs, and keep learning with OMNI Academy. Start your Odoo development journey with Python today. We hope this session has given you a useful introduction to Odoo development and helped you understand the possibilities that exist when programming skills meet real-world business requirements. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep building. Your next opportunity could start with the skills you learned today.